Okay, so what I've done here is an alternative to welding the center diff. Sometimes welds break, and this is full reassurance that this diff will never break back to an open diff or explode on me. So what I did is I took out all of the spider gears and mixed and matched and rearranged them until I could get them to fit but not spin. So they all fit into place, and I was able to put the dowel pins into each one, but they're not in the original arrangement, therefore they don't spin freely. And then I started threading in the bolts to hold the diff case together, and this may only work with two-piece diffs. So what that did is it increases the clamping force to the point where it's impossible for these gears to spin. They didn't even spin before I did that. Once I just popped them in place and got the dowel pins, they were locked. But by increasing the clamping force so much, and I'm using a hydraulic press to press the cases together as I torque down these case bolts, and I just kept going until I physically couldn't anymore before one of these bolts snapped or something. There's still a tiny bit of a gap at the bottom, but I don't think it's going to cause any issues. It should still fit. So I'm going to now press this into the diff case at the top of the transmission there. And we're rear wheel drive.